What's going on YouTube? This is Derek over at D-May Auto. So today we're going to go over the 23 Frontier Pro-4X. It's the top level trim in the Frontier lineup. Great looking truck, off-road ready, very comparable to the Chevy Colorado Z71 package. So not necessarily like the ZR2s, which are kind of in a whole nother ball game. All right, guys. So before we get into this, make sure you like and subscribe. Help me out on the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you want to buy a car from me, whether it be a Frontier, Pathfinder, used cars, you can find me at McClarty Nissan in Benton, Arkansas. So just send me a message on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever. Let me know which vehicle you're interested in and help you drive home in the vehicle of your dreams. All right, so let's get into this. All right, as you can see, Nissan has changed the look of Frontier, starting with the 22-year model. But LED daytime running lights. Pretty sure those are your LED projectors. So, new Nissan logo, red tow hooks. Of course, this one is brand new, still got the plastic on them. All right, so now the 17-inch alloy wheels. Sending on all-terrain tires with Billisting shocks. Man, this back up a little bit. So, you know, the really nice kind of gray metallic look to it with the fake beadlock. Of course, off-road steps. Man, again, Nissan knocked it out of the park on this new body style. Never been a big Nissan guy until I started working for them and with these new body changes, but I have to say, man, I would drive this. I would rock this hard. Push your towing, hitch, and then hookups. Rear parking sensors, spray in bed liner. There's your 120 volt plug-in. You know, almost every brand has that nowadays. You know, your rails in the back for any accessories that you want, LED bed lights as well. But this thing is super nice on the exterior. Somebody that's looking for that off-road appearance, this is definitely a choice, definitely an option. So as you can tell, it is kind of rainy today, so cold. I got the heated seat on and everything going on. So we're gonna talk about the interior a little bit. So Nissan has really updated the interior on a lot of their vehicles. You know, it just did the Pathfinder the other day. So, but the new Frontier, man, is definitely far and above previous models, body styles. It has a definite higher end feel to it than previous body styles and stuff. Of course, you still have the your normal gauge cluster here with the physical tachometer and speedometer, with the LCD screen in the middle for all your driver input. Tells you, you know, what gear, you know, whether you're in park, reverse, neutral drive, whether you got 4-wheel drive engaged or not. So we can go over to the touch screen. I believe this is a 8-inch, maybe 10-inch screen, fully touch, compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth enabled as well. You can have a button right here for your backup camera. You have the 360-degree cameras on this one. So this has the premium package and the technology package. So this is loaded up. You can get a Pro-4X with cloth seats, a little bit downgraded for a little bit, maybe to fit in your budget a little bit better. So 12-volt plug-in right there as well. Of course, dual climate control, heated seats, heated steering wheel, your park button, park sensor. I'll get it right here in a minute. USB-C and USB plugs as well. Still have the manual shifter. They haven't gone to the electronic shifter just yet in the Frontier. Of course, your 4-wheel drive controls, push start. But so down here is where you have the plug for your 120 volt plug for your bed, ProPilot Assist, cargo lamps, descent control, lockers, and your traction control down at the bottom. Sorry, it's kind of hard for me to stretch. Your tow mode, and then also your brightness controls for your screens. Of course, you have all your driver controls, driver information screen controls over here, Bluetooth, cruise control, your lights, and get the camera in the right position. All your windshield wiper controls as normal. So pretty standard layout. Leather seats with the orange stitching, orange Pro-4X with this kind of hexagon shape weaved in. The leather is, I mean, it's good quality. I really like it. I like the kind of something about the hexagonal design that just makes it look a little bit more techy, I guess. I don't know, but I actually like it. Fender sound system, as you can see down there. You also have a subwoofer in the back. I'll show you that later. Now we have our McClarty protection package that has all-weather floor mats and everything. Also, wireless phone charger. Bam, right there in like the perfect position. This thing will even fit like bigger phones, like the Galaxy 22 Ultras and Apple whatever. I'm not an Apple fan. Alright, and my fingers are all in the way, but oh, that's great. Just shove paper down there. So, nice deep center console. Fit all kind of junk in there like everybody normally does. So, alright, let's go to the back seat. Alright, so we're in the back seat. Of course, we have a few bit extra stuff back here. Floor mats, because we replaced it with the all-weather floor mats. got your USB-C, USB plug, AC, 120 volt, 3-prong plug there, max 400 watts. Also, forgot about the sunroof. This actually comes with the sunroof with the premium package. So, I mean, I'm 5'9", and the driver's seat is all the way back right now, and I'm, you know, mildly comfortable. Obviously, scoot it up a little bit, and I would be, you know, comfortable. Wouldn't be squished or anything. You know, obviously, your taller friends are probably gonna have a little issue, but this is a mid-sized truck. Nobody's expecting it to be the biggest and best. Cup holders, armrests, as usual. All right, so as I hopped out, lift. This is gonna be tricky doing this one-handed. All right, I'm at the pause. So got the seat up. So you can see this is where I'm talking about the subwoofer for the Fender sound system. You also have some storage underneath the other seat as well. But overall, the interior of this truck is super nice. Again, like I was talking about the Pathfinder, Nissan has really stepped their game up on these vehicles and trying to give the consumer a higher end quality, but at a reasonable price. So, all right, guys, had to hop back inside because it's raining its butt off outside, and I can't let this hair get wet. All right, it takes a lot of product to keep it in place. But so the 23 Frontier Pro-4X is definitely an option for anybody looking for an off-road ready truck. So the new Frontier runs on 3.8 liter V6, has 310 horsepower, 6,200 pounds towing capacity, 280 foot-pound of torque. So again, you can pull pretty much anything that you want. For the most part, small camper. I think it's really comparable to like a Z71 Colorado, Canyon, or even a Tacoma. Nissan stepped their game up, man. It has really impressed me the more that I've been around them. I was, as a GM guy before this. Now, work at McCarty Nissan. So, with the new body styles, it really has. It really has kind of impressed me. I would actually drive this. I really would. Might have to talk to management about that. So, but guys, if you want to buy a car from me, again, reach out to me, social media, shoot me a message, TikTok, Instagram. Of course, leave a comment below, like, subscribe, guys. If you want to see more content like this, I'm going to try to, for the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be posting reviews of all the new body styles for Nissan. So we're going to keep working on that. I'm going to try to come up with some other stuff to do. We did just trade for a 2012 370Z. It's got 134,000 miles on it. Other than that, it's great condition. I think it even has a new engine in it. I drove it myself. It's a nice driving car. It's got I don't know its brand exhaust, but the guy put a new exhaust on it, so it's nice and loud. Really actually kind of want to buy it for myself. So I'll say it again, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll put a pin to that Pathfinder review up here, so check that out. Also check out any of my shorts. Again, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. You can find me at McClarty Nissan in Benton, Arkansas. Just call, ask for the guy on YouTube. Y'all have a great day.